Hello, everybody. This is Maurice, and you're watching Oscellaris Lawn Care. I just wanted to go ahead and plant a special addition to Oscellaris Lawn Care to all the people that want to be on the YouTube side of things, but don't yet. You have to fall back a little bit further as in a beginner space, because some of us, we kind of think that everybody has a little bit of knowledge about YouTube and a little bit of knowledge about uploading the video. So, oh, I didn't mean to go ahead and spill the beans, but I will show y'all how to upload the video on YouTube after these messages. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the actually Oscellaris lawn care that you're viewing. So I just wanted to go ahead and do this video just to get and emphasize all the stuff and structure that I got to the people that are not subscribers to the channel. I welcome y'all, and also I employ y'all to be future subscribers, but stay tuned. Some people that I know basically don't know how to use YouTube. I know that some of y'all are veterans out there and y'all are part of the YouTube community, and actuality that what I'm trying to say is some people don't know how to upload their videos to YouTube. And I figure that basically that'll be a good topic, especially in all our guys in line care. Some guys, some guys don't know. You got to take a step back. Some guys don't know how to get a YouTube channel set up. So what I figure that I can do for the next video is basically this: is teach somebody how to upload and how to get their video ranked on, actually ranked as far as tagged, not ranked. Let me explain to y'all. Tags are a certain way that basically when you upload your video, that people can find you, and that the way that the algorithms and YouTube can find you can sink your viewers in, and also suck them in to what are you doing now. It's more like a what about you're doing, and how about you're doing the actual tags, because I see in some people's lawn videos they don't have the right tags, and actually that's the reason why they could be suffering for a lot of those reasons. So with that being said, let's go ahead and venture on. Guys, this is my YouTube channel right here. Oscellaris Lawn Care. This is that big guy right there in the corner is me, and also that small guy in the picture is me as well. I just want to let y'all know on the graph of the video, when I put this video out, I'm only 7 months into lawn care service. So with that being said, it's a lot of things that may come to mind later on. And if you are pretty much an expert with this subject, please let people know down there at the bottom of the comment list. Also, for the people that are not subscribers, comment, subscribe, click on the bell notification button, because basically that's how you guys can get all of the content in one big batch, is for you to be notified. It's one thing for you not to be notified or anything thereof, but it's another thing that you can be notified for, like various things, like on YouTube. Sometimes in this little area where it says customize my channel, it has a notification button there. But right now you can't really see it right now because I'm in my YouTube channel. So let me go ahead and let's try Brian's YouTube channel. Let's see that. You see how he has the subscribers up there, 47K subscribers, and then also on the bell button, that's the notification that's the notification for you guys to, keep in touch. It's more like you being notified. Sometimes, like in YouTube's past, I'm just going to go ahead and refer to that. Before they had the notifications button, most people thought just because they were subscribed to a certain particular YouTube channel that they would get notified. But some people were getting notified and some people wasn't. And I kind of hate for you to miss all the concurrent information coming from this channel just because you're not notified, you didn't click on the bell button or anything thereof, and actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me go back to mine. All right, now we're done with graphing on that subject. Let's go ahead and dive a little deeper into your YouTubing experience and actually video upload. All right, what I want you to do is observe everything that's in the video uploading. Now, the select file to upload, and then also I have mine on private. I just wanted to reveal that because some people have theirs on public. It's good, it's all well and fine, but when YouTube absorbs your file, sometimes it doesn't upload. I remember a certain video of mine recently, about 3 days ago, it uploaded, but then it started deteriorating the visuals on my computer. I don't know what it is on y'all house. So if y'all are having that same experience, I'll go ahead and re-upload that video so we can go ahead and stay concurrent. All right. With that being said, I got a lot of you see this red button right here that's flashing, this red icon that's flashing right now. Hover over it and smash your left on your mouse. Well, actually it's right. It's right for me, but it's left for y'all. I noticed that, some people have right and left. All right. With that being said, now you see some of my videos on YouTube. All right. All I have to do is select the video, hover over it, press right, click right 2 times, and now you uploading the video to your YouTube.
Now, subscribers, for this behalf of the video, I now quenched all of your thirsts, and now it's time to take action. So let me know how I did on this video on the comments below, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and y'all have a nice